guys, how you guys doing? It's your girl Trini. A little bit tired. As you're gonna see, I went to the beach today. Yes, Florida beach kids, kids, people. Um, we have that. Let me turn this around. We have that 90-degree weather here. So yeah, I went to the beach today and with my friends, and I'm going to show you a little bit of it. I went to the gym this morning, but it really wasn't nothing to show you because I did all cardio. And my butt is sore from the workout. So my whole legs, glutes, hamstrings is all sore. Could barely even sit down, really. So I just wanted to say hey. And if it's anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow and share you a summer day in Florida on the beach. So I love you guys. Peace. And you guys have a beautiful day. Okay guys, hi. It's your girl Trini, aka. And today is a beach day. Hopefully this camera won't get messed up today. So I went to the gym today and I did some cardio. At least an hour and a half, which was really, really good. I was happy about that. No weight training because my booty hurts. My glutes hurts. It hurts. So no training today on my legs, and I did training on my arms last night. So today we in the water. Remember the last time we was in the water, guys? Woo! Ah! Yeah. The water, we in the water. I'm gonna get in the water today. I wanted to bring I should have brought my camera stand, and I didn't do that. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. Let me see if I can put this on the ledge, and then I will show you your girl, truly. Okay? Hold on.